Well, thanks to Mark here at the Birdwood Motor Museum, he directed me upstairs to the 1920s garage. He said a lot of people miss it. There's some interesting bikes up there. So we've come up here and we're going to have a quick look. Can't get too close to them. The 1948 EMC 350cc split single. Now there you are, you can see the motor there. Two-stroke out of the UK. Certainly unusual, the cylinder design there. I'll zoom in and let you see the split cylinder design there. Right, and we'll move next door to a 1927 Triumph Model T. No, try Model W. Better get back on the Triumph, not on the Douglas. These are all restorations waiting to take their place. 1924 Douglas TS. Bacon slicer on the side there. 1929 Harley Davidson Pup, single cylinder. Twin headlights. And over the back it looks like a Corgi parachute bike. I'll stand corrected, but that's what it looks like to me. And this pedal powered with engine moped, which I know absolutely nothing about. So if you know anything about it, please leave it in the comments. So this is upstairs in the 1920s garage as part of the Birdwood Museum. And there's one other we'll bring you here, hiding over the back there, a Royal Enfield. They're upstairs at the Birdwood Museum, 1920s garage. Lots of other interesting exhibits up here, so don't forget to come up the stairs from outside, from the motorcycle exhibit, and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.